Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to add Bunifu UI to your Visual Studio window form projects. Bunifu UI is a user interface framework for Windows Form that make it easier to create beautiful modern interfaces. Open your Visual Studio.
And go to Tools tab. Click NuGet Package Manager. Click on Browser Search Bunifu. Install Bunifu.ui WinForms and Bunifu.utils. I have already installed WinForms. That's why I am updating this.
Open any form and click on Toolbox and scroll down. Here is Bunifu UI components. With Bunifu UI added to the toolbox, you can now start using its controls in your project. Simply drag and drop the controls you want to use onto your form. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.